In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags and contacts in Gohighlevel. If you want to organize your contacts more effectively, tags are a simple and useful tool. They can help you group people by interest, status, source, or any other category you use in your workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the tagging option and how to apply tags to a contact. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where your contacts are stored. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for managing your account. From that left side menu, click on Contacts. This will open your contact list where you can browse through all the people currently saved in your system. Depending on how many contacts you have, you may want to take a moment to scan the list carefully so you can find the specific contact you want to update. Once you've located the contact you want to add tags to, click on that contact's name to open their full contact profile. This will take you into the individual contact record where you can view more details and make changes directly to that person's information. After the contact profile opens, look again toward the left-hand side area within the contact view. You're looking for the Tags section. This section shows any tags that are already assigned, and it also gives you the option to add more. When you find the Tags section, click the plus button next to it. This will open the tag selection window where you can choose from the tags already available in your system. Take your time here and select the tag or tags you want to apply to this contact. If you use a tagging system for late stages, customer types, or campaigns, this is where you'll assign the appropriate labels. After selecting the tag or tags you want, click Apply. That will save your selection and attach those tags to the contact. And that's it. The contact is now tagged, which makes it easier to filter, organize, and manage later. As a quick tip, try to keep your tagging system consistent so your contact list stays clean and easy to search. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add tags in contacts in Gohighlevel.